Good morning, guys. What a beautiful thing to watch the sun come out. Look at that. Very, very beautiful. Oh my god, it's my first time I've ever seen something of this sort, and I'm so happy. Look at that. Good morning, guys. I hope you all doing good. Welcome to my channel. My name is Queen Munira. You can call me Munira. If you are new in this channel, thank you for tuning and thank you for clicking. So today is our last day at Old Talet, and so far I've loved everything in this place, and this is our last morning. I just don't feel like I want to go back, but we need to go back and do the hustle. So I'm going to take you, we are going to have breakfast together, and we will call it a day. I think we'll have maybe breakfast and lunch, but this is the last breakfast we are doing. Then after that we will do some activities like maybe nature walk, or I don't know, we'll figure it out, but I'll show you what we will be doing before leaving. Let's go and have breakfast, and the rest will follow. Keep it locked here. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment, and let me know so far what you think about this place. Before then, where I am seated, I am surrounded by mountains, and I'm gonna show you that. Look at that. And that is my outfit. This is how I look. Yeah, so people are having breakfast, and I'm just out here giving you content. So make sure you show some love and visit this place, Alternate Cottage. You will love everything. So I'm having white coffee, omelette, bread, and some sausages. That's what we are having, and there are some potatoes as well. Guys, as I am taking breakfast, I'm watching a monkey. There is a tree there. Let me show you that monkey. That is a monkey. You can see? I don't know. You can't see it clearly because of the sun. That's a monkey on the tree. There are two. There are two monkeys there. This place is nice. You enjoy your breakfast as you watch the nature, monkeys. Munira. Eh, oh. Good. Jina. Munira. Munira. Endo wangalie.
Kama ule Munira Mohamed.
Munira
Mohamed. Kuna ule mtangazaji. Munira Mohamed. Munira kama unaitwa.
Right now we are heading to Oloika as we enjoy the nature walk. So let's go and see what's there. Oh, it's the same.
Oloika iko wapi?
Don't give up. Follow me. Follow the leader.
Na huyo wa mbele amezoea. Unaona hizo steps zake venye ni kubwa? Wa. Na kukunywa juice na kutembea is not working. Oloika. It's Oloika.
Welcome to Oloika, guys. Let's have a short tour of Oloika. Wow.
And you wanted to miss Kathy.
How can you miss to be this beautiful place?
How? The lighting. Oh my God, the lighting hapa penye umesimama. Hapo kwa hii stairs hapa.
Wewe.
Wow, hii lighting hebu kuja uone. Kathy, picha ukipigwa hapa. Hapa penye Sila amesimama pia.
Sasa mimi kama nitatoa hizo. And this is Oloika. The excitement is not allowing us to finish our tour. So some photo shoot, keeping memories, very, very important. And that's what we are doing right now.
Nakwambia lighting.
Oloika, guys. Let's have fun. Nature walk. This is what is called nature.
Yes.
Enjoy. It's the same.
Not the same as in.
What? I love this bathroom. It's nice. It's gold.
Yeah.
Look at the walls. Oh my God. What? I think we should have booked this one. But anyway, it's all right. We still had fun. We had a chance to visit Oloika rooms and they are very classy. I love their style. It's very amazing. They have blended their colors really well. On our way out, we met this small fish pond. I have never seen this kind of fish. It has yellow fish and red fish. Also, their fish pond is well lit.
Fish.
Yellow, red. Hizi sasa ni za wapi? Zinatolewa wapi?
Hizi zinatolewa Amerika.
Ni za Amerika. Wanazileta aje?
Sasa hapo.
You can
I
see
don't know
them.
how I can see them.
Let me try. Ndio hii. Yellow fish, red and yellow fish moving. And the yellow one is there. Next to the fish pond, there is this place over here where you can chill as we decided to take some photos. So as you can see, the girls are busy posing, taking good pictures. So yeah, let's explore more. So this over here is another fish pond which is smaller than what we saw earlier. It has fish which is yellow and of course red. What I've loved most about this place is that they have connected Wi-Fi everywhere. So you can sit out here, do your work or browse anything. And the sockets are everywhere. If you run out of charge, you can charge your phone. Which pose yenye she will never forget. You cannot. Hey guys, so right now it's time to check out. I hope you've enjoyed everything. We have come to the end of our trip. our vacation. I have enjoyed everything courtesy of All Talet Cottage. We've enjoyed everything. We've enjoyed nature. Look at this is a portrait. Look at that wall portrait. It's really, really nice. You can see, I feel like I'm outside, but I'm in my room. So I'm going to miss this place a lot, a lot. My hand is getting tired. Anyway, guys, this was our bed. They are really messy, but they are going to make everything clean. They will make the beds. So we had extra blankets because I told you at night it's really cold. We had to get extra blankets, which are normally placed in that wardrobe. So they really saved us a lot, a lot. So that was my bed, my friend's bed. I'm going to miss this bedroom. Anyway, guys, courtesy of Alternate Cottage, we are so, so grateful. We are so, so happy for everything. Thank you for the services. Thank you for the good services you've offered to us. We are really, really grateful. Anytime I will recommend this place 100% because of their good services, the environment, nature, watching the birds, watching the monkeys and all that. It has been really, really amazing. So guys, thank you for watching and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, also leave a comment. Let me know what you think about Alternate Cottage. If you check on their Instagram pages, anything that you have seen on their page is the exact thing that is here, and that is what I loved most. So I don't know whether you have seen that thing, what I ordered versus what I got. Yeah, so that is it. Anyway, guys, until the next one, thank you so much for watching. I've been called, so it's time to go. Bye.